Hello everyone and welcome to Daria Draws. I decided to freshen up the paintings in the bedroom. I'm going to also make them in watercolors, but a slightly different theme. As you can see, we have purple curtains, so I'm going with some purple tones in the paintings as well. I chose these birds because they will complement well our tropical kind of island theme of the whole apartment, so it made sense to keep that going in the bedroom as well. And also the colors of the birds will complement the purple quite well. I wanted to create an illustration-y, effortless kind of sketch because I didn't want to make the wall too heavy with anything that was too realistic or too heavy, quite literally, like on a canvas, because the wall is not that big. So this kind of more airy sort of composition will go much better. Even though I didn't want to put in too many details, I still wanted to create a texture or perhaps an illusion of movement, as if I was there with the birds on a tropical adventure, just kind of painting them live. And when you paint live, you don't usually have a lot of time, so I was just going for that kind of look, and I think it really worked out. And here we have the end result. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. It does look effortless, it does look airy, and everything I wanted, to be honest. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to support this channel, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.